night, the stars are brightly shining. It's the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh hear the angel voices, oh night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh night divine, oh night divine. Led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. So lit by light, our stars sweetly gleaming, here come the wise men from Orient land. The King of Kings laid this lowly manger in all our trials, born to be our friend. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night divine, the night when Christ was born. Oh night divine, oh night when Christ was born.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Happy Vlogmas Day 20, which is crazy. 5 more days until Christmas, which I feel like went by so fast, but this entire year went by so fast, so I shouldn't be shocked at all. But my sister and I are about to go to Bowerbird Vintage to look for some last minute Christmas gifts. I really need to find a ring for my cousin, and then my sister needs to get a few people on her list, so she wants my help with some vintage shopping. So we're about to do that. But I just got ready and I'm not loving the way my hair looks, to be honest. I'm also doing no makeup again today, which I don't feel that confident, but I know my skin will thank me later for not putting makeup on, because like I said the other day, I just feel like I'm breaking out because I've just been clogging my pores too much. But I just slicked back my hair. I have boxing later tonight, so I was gonna slick it back anyway. And then what I'm wearing my Cashmere Crew from Quince, this black Everlane long tee, and then my black lounge pants, sorry you can't really see, and of course my ballet slippers that I always wear. But I wanted to quickly show you because I got this package late last night and I was gonna open it, but I waited to open it with you guys, but I'm so excited. I am now a partner of Osea, the brand, which is so exciting because if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I am a paid customer. I am obsessed with their products so much. I use their body lotion, body oil, their body butter. I use their body scrub, especially when I'm getting spray tans. I love that scrub. It makes my skin so soft, and it's one of the only skincare brands like body oil, body lotion, body butter, what's it called, body butter, that has truly hydrated my skin, and I feel like when I'm constantly using that, like consistently, my skin feels amazing. So they just sent me my first little package, and it's just such a pinch me moment. I'm just so thankful and excited to be working with them. I am just in love with the brand, and you guys know this because I have talked about them so much on my channel previously, and all the stuff that I've talked about previously I have purchased. So I'm not just saying this because now I'm working with them. But yeah, I can't wait. I wanted to open this so bad because I actually ran out of all my body care stuff from them, and I knew I was getting sent something, so I didn't want to go and purchase it because I knew I was getting it in the mail, so I just waited. But my body is craving this. Why is it so hard to open boxes up? I need to get a box cutter because I'm putting like my entire weight in this. Boxes are so... Oh, I'm opening it up backwards. That would help. There we go. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh, seaweed looks good on you. Hold on, let me show you guys. So it just says seaweed looks good on you, Sarah. Look, I got my little package from...
Oh, nice.
And then it says Seaweed Society, and on the back it says welcome to the family, which is so cute. And like, I can't believe this is real. Oh my goodness. This is like Christmas morning. I got a spa headband. Sarah, look. Got a little spa headband. I got a body brush. Oh my goodness. I feel so lucky. I got the Ocean Cleanser. Some of this stuff I haven't even tried. I'm so excited. And then what else did I get? I got the Hyaluronic C Serum. I heard this is really good. Oh my god, it looks amazing. And then I got the body serum. Wow, I'm gonna love this. I love their body stuff. That looks amazing. And then lastly, I got their body oil. This is my favorite product of theirs, or for now, because this is what I've been using forever. I love this stuff so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I feel like so, I don't know, I feel giddy. This is so special. I feel like it's totally a pinch me moment, and I have you to thank for that. This is all because of you, because you guys subscribe to me and have become part of my family. So thank you, thank you, thank you. This is truly a dream, and I just can't wait to continue to grow and continue to build a stronger relationship with you guys and continue to post. I'm so happy. So thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to start using all this stuff. I'll let you guys know how I like the new stuff, because I've never used a lot of the stuff that they sent, which I'm so excited, because if it's anything like the stuff that I use on a day-to-day basis from them, I know I'm gonna love it. But I think Sarah and I, because she is ready to go, has her coat on, so she's waiting on me. So we're gonna head to Bowerbird now and then hopefully find some gifts, because like I said, it is coming to the wire and we really need to finish Christmas shopping. My sister just ran into Michael's to get some gold paint for the cards that she's making for our family. So I am just waiting in the car while she quickly runs in there. But we went to Bowerbird, success at Bowerbird. We got my cousin Amanda, which is from her, so she got it for her. They have these candle making kits, which I think is so cute, and this candle they actually had burning in the store, and it smelled so good. It's by the brand Siblings, so I don't know, maybe I'll try to find it online, but I just think this is such a good gift idea, and we're gonna get a little container for her to put it in, because they didn't have anything that we saw. But so that's what she got my cousin Amanda. And then we went to Ulta because we had to get a few things for my mom for stocking stuffers. So we got her this First Aid Beauty moisturizer. She is obsessed with this. She's been using this for years. She loves it. It's just the Ultra Repair Cream. I used to use this and really love it. It's a good one. And then for my Aunt Dawn, she got, where's the other one? What the heck? Maybe she has it with her, but she got the Moon Juice Magnesium drink powder stuff because we thought a cute little basket for my Aunt Dawn of all like health, wellness, skincare stuff. And then we got her a couple of the eye patches from Patchology. They're different kinds, but I only see this one. And then for Alex, I had to get stuff for his stocking. So I got him his favorite face wash, which is the Panoxyl. I have a love-hate relationship with this. He likes it because it really dries out his pimples and it works really well. But the problem I have with it is he uses it every single night and he doesn't believe in moisturizer. So I just feel like that just can't be good for your skin, but I can't say anything, so I'm just not going to. And then I also got him some Aquaphor little mini ones because he loves Aquaphor. So I got him that, and then I also got myself this blow dry spray, finishing spray by Dry Bar. I got a mini one. I feel like last time I went to Ulta, obsessed with it. I put it in my hair, just at like the top. I like throw my hair down and I like spray all over, and it gives me so much volume. I am really in love with this, so I got the bigger version this time around. But that's our little Ulta haul. And then she's running into Michael's, and I still need to get a few things for Alex's stocking. I think I'm gonna get him like Reese's cups, like small little things, maybe his deodorant he uses, stuff like that. I think we're gonna run into Wegmans since we're right here and get stuff for dinner. But yeah, that's my little haul for, oh, and then I totally forgot, I got my cousin a ring. I don't know if it's gonna fit her because I've asked her so many times to send me her ring size and she doesn't know, and she said she was gonna go down to her mom's. My aunt has a boutique in Naperville, and she was gonna see what size she is, but she never did. So I got her this size because I feel like she has tiny hands like I do, and it fits my middle finger and it fits my sister's like pointer finger. So I just got her it. I hope she likes it, but I just love the silver and I loved how plain and thick it was. I just thought it was gorgeous. So we're gonna see if this fits. I'm gonna try and look for an adjustable one. If I don't, then I'm just gonna give her this. If I find an adjustable one, then I'll just keep this and give her the adjustable one, or maybe I'll give her both and see which one she likes better. But just waiting for my sister to get out, and then we're gonna head to Wegmans. It is a lot later, guys. I'm actually on my way to boxing. I got home and immediately had to do some work on my computer, and then I really wanted to quickly prep dinner before I left so I didn't have to do it when I got back and we could eat earlier. So I made that. I made garlic lemon potatoes, and then I made this olive bean kind of tapenade kind of thing, and then salmon. I will show you guys what it looks like when I get back home, but I am so excited for the tapenade thing. I love olives, so if you don't like olives, then obviously you won't like it, but it looks so good. And then the potatoes, I'll leave the link down below because it's such an easy recipe to make potatoes and it's so good. I've made them previously and every single time they taste so good, and they are good with everything, so I highly recommend those. But heading to boxing now, it's gonna be a rough one because I am very tired, but it will feel good after I'm done. Well, that class absolutely murdered me, but it felt so good. I never regret a workout. I feel like that's very common. Like, you dread going, but once you're there and after you're done, you never regret it. You always feel so much better, but wow, am I gonna be sore? I am already feeling it. That was a hard class, but heading home and hopefully dinner is ready because I am starving, absolutely starving. Hi guys, it is the next day and I am so sorry. I totally forgot to end off the vlog yesterday. I think it was because I came home so hungry that I quickly showed you guys a little clip of the end result of the olive bean salad and then the lemon garlic potatoes. So good, by the way. I ate it so fast. I was starving, and if you love olives, definitely make that salad. My mom thinks it would be so good in a Mediterranean dish, and I so agree, with like hummus and pita and falafel, like so good, or chicken or any kind of protein, to be honest. And then, but with the salmon and potatoes, it was so good as well. So I'll leave both of those. And then the lemon garlic potatoes, you can't go wrong. They're so easy and they are so good. But dinner was amazing, as you can tell. I can't stop talking about it. And then the rest of the night, I kind of just hung out and talked to my cousin because she's home from Paris. And since she lives in Paris now, we don't get to see her that much. So every time she's home, I just want to be present and spend as much time with her as I possibly can, because she is probably one of my closest cousins in age, but not even that. More so similarities. We have so much in common that we just get along really well, which is so funny because when we were younger, actually, we used to fight like nothing else, but I think it was because we were so similar. But I just wanted to end off the vlog and thank you guys for watching. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. I am almost to 3,000 subscribers, which is crazy. Thank you guys so much. For any of you who are already subscribed, it means the world to me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.